It's IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions on some unusual topics. So you still have to handle these unusual topics too, okay? The topic is about robots. Sometimes they may ask you questions about artificial intelligence. So you still have to handle the questions, okay? Yeah.
Do you think robots are a good invention?
Yes, I do. As robots, nowadays the technology is very common. Robots are mostly used in the factories. So I think robots are a very good
Yeah, very good
invention.
invention of
Yeah.
science, and that's it. Okay, yeah.
What kind of robot would you like to have?
Nowadays there is a cleaning machine that is called that we use to clean the on speaking commands. So it's a good invention on your house to.
Okay, now you need to link your answer with your personal thing. What kind of robot would you like to have? I would like to have this cleaning robot. There is a vacuum cleaner cum robot that cleans the house without any assistance. So that sort of robots I like very much. I think they call this robot Mossy. So I like this robot very much. Anything like that, okay? So you need to add something, and personal touch is important. Whenever they ask you question with would you like, never answer in third person. You should answer in first person singular. Okay? Yes, one more.
Will robots change the society significantly?
Yes, robots will change over society as humans are not interacted with them, and the robots take place the humans. So robots are usually to take place with the humans. So I would conclude that robots will change the society.
Okay, robots will take place of human, or you can
Human.
use the word robots will replace the human. So I
Okay.
think this will bring great
Great
reforms in our
reforms.
society. Instead of using the word change, you can use the word reforms. It will alter our society, alter, reform, change. Just use, I mean, these words will show the examiner your English.
Okay.
And if you show your English to examiner, you get higher band score, right? Good job. Your English is good. You just need practice with all these topics, okay? And whenever you practice, remember variety of sentence structures and variety of words related to the topic. Related to, in the question, they will use a couple of nouns and sometimes verbs. So you need to replace those verbs. You need to replace those nouns, okay? Thank you.